Samsung has already announced a lot here at CES 2019, but I did want to take a few moments to check in with a dear old friend, this guy, the Galaxy Home, which, as you'll recall, was officially announced last year alongside the Galaxy Note 9 at Unpacked in New York. We haven't seen much of it since. It's popped up at the developer conference Samsung puts on in San Francisco. It's now here at CES, and for the first time, I've actually been able to talk to it. In the past, we've seen it just sort of playing music, and it's very good at that. Even in the very loud, very crowded environment here at CES, the few times I've asked it to play music in Spotify actually worked pretty well. And I should also point out, it handled that request just fine. Granted, the Wi-Fi here sucks, and it sounds like we're in the middle of a hurricane, so there's going to be some latency. But for those of you who are concerned that Bixby might not be able to do it as a full-fledged assistant on a smart speaker, well, it actually does. Quick run through if you're not super familiar with the Galaxy Home. It is Samsung's first smart speaker. It packs 8 top-mounted microphones, a series of 6 speakers located in its belly, and a downward-firing subwoofer. So you're actually getting pretty good sound. And again, I can attest to that because we're in the middle of what amounts to technological hell. Sounds pretty good still. I have been able to talk to it though, and that's really huge because we've never had this opportunity before. I'm actually going to see if this works right now. Hey Bixby. Are there any good Italian restaurants nearby?
I found some Italian restaurants in 10 miles of Las Vegas, NV. A great matches Piero's Italian cuisine. It has 464 reviews and averages 4 stars. Does that sound good?
Sure, yeah. So, granted, a lot of these are canned demos, but they do speak to the level of polish that you should be able to expect from Bixby when the Galaxy Home launches presumably sometime this year for a currently unknown amount of money. No one actually knows yet. Samsung does not really want to talk about it, but let's talk to it. Let's see how this works. Hi, Bixby. Can you call me an Uber to the MGM?
An Uber X car to MGM Grand Conference Center, 3799 Las Vegas Boulevard, South will be about $10.35, and the closest driver is 2 minutes away. Would you like me to book it now?
No.
Okay, I won't book a ride.
Hi, Bixby. Play Animal Spirits in Spotify.
Here's Animal Spirits by Wolfbeck on Spotify.
And there we go. So the Galaxy Home, again, we're still not exactly sure when it'll be released or how much it'll cost when it does, but there you have it. It actually works.